My first withdrawal from this platform. This is actually my first withdrawal from this platform. You can see it, 500 naira withdraw. You can see it. That is actually my first withdrawal. Since then I have withdrawn like 77 times now. You can see it. June 1st 2022. So you can see that I have been withdrawing since a year now. A year since last year I have been withdrawing on this platform. You can check it. You will see that it's like I'm withdrawing every day on this platform. You can see, you can see. These are my withdrawals from this platform. These are my withdrawals. You can see it. Up to today's, I am still withdrawing. So, guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky Me, and my name is Banky. Uh, my name is Banky Mail, and this is Banky Updates. Excuse. So right now, guys, if you did not know about Hawkit is a task performing platform where you perform a task and may earn money. You perform a task and you will earn money from it. Last year I have made a video about this platform called Hawkit. So guys, right now again I am making another video for you because this platform, I have, since all these days I did not even share it with you guys again, but I am making money on it every day. You can see my withdrawal proof there. So guys, right now I'm going to show you how to make money from this platform called Hawkit. This is it here. As you can see, I have 18 total tasks for me. They have about 18 tasks for me which I should perform. So when you registered on this platform, if you want to register on Hawkit, you can check the description of this video. So their registration, during the time I make I registered on this platform, their registration fee is just 1,000. Yes, so I think it's around 1,000 naira or 1,500 or maybe 3,000. So since then you can see the amount of money I've made on this platform. I've made over 200 plus on this platform already. So right now I'm going to show you what to do after you register on this platform, because you have, before you can have access to this page like this, you have to make the payment for to become a member. And one thing again, you can also advertise your product on this platform. As you can see, people are advertising here. You can see, so that you should know that many people are view Hawkit, are on Hawkit. If you look at this person product here, you will see that about 1 million people have viewed it, 1 million views already. If you look at this one, about 941,000 views already on that product. So it will also help you to move your product so that many people will see your product. You can see this person product is about 596.2 view. You can see their product. Many people are advertising their product on Hawkit, and it's they will just drop their contact with it, and people can reach out to them and purchase the product. So that is one of the benefits when you join Hawkit. But if you want to earn money by performing tasks on Hawkit, you will earn it by doing some simple tasks like this: get people to repost. You can see it here. Get people to repost your advert and perform social tasks for you on their social media. And again, look at this one here again. Earn daily by posting advert and performing tasks on your social media. So for example, let's say on Hawkit here, when someone bring their advertisement to this platform and pay this platform to advertise their product, or even though without, like all these people here right now, they are members like me, so they can just post their product and advertise it. But for people that need followers, maybe on their Twitter account, on their Facebook account, their Instagram page, on their WhatsApp group, etc like that. So you can pay this platform called Hawkit a certain amount of money, So Hawkit will now put your advertisement outside for people on this platform, for people to see, to earn money through it. For example, per post advert on Twitter, post adverts of various business and top brand on your Twitter. So per adverts you post on your Twitter, here you will earn 100 naira. This one 100 naira, 100 naira, that is 300, 100 naira, 400. Why this one 100 naira, 450? The minimum you can withdraw on this platform, I think it's either 500 naira or 300. That is the minimum you can withdraw. If you look at my own, you will see that I have about 18 tasks that I can perform. That means only today, if I perform all these tasks, I am going to earn more than almost 2,000 or 2,000 upward. I am going to earn it on this platform. If I start performing all the tasks now, I'm going to earn up to that. All you need to do is to, if you have Twitter account, Facebook, or maybe you still have Instagram, TikTok, and everybody have WhatsApp, I believe so. So all you will have to do, for example, let me go for this WhatsApp right now. All you will need to do is to just click on post, is to just post this advert you are going to see here, to post it on your WhatsApp status. That is all. Then bring the screenshot and submit the screenshot here. When you do that, in few minutes, in few hours, Hawkit will verify it. They will verify it immediately. In few minutes or hours, they will verify it and they will give you your money, which is 15 naira from here. But for those on Facebook, Twitter, they will give you 100 naira. That is for task. You can also post your own advertisement. Maybe you need followers on something, maybe on your Twitter, on your WhatsApp group, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your TikTok. You can just pay Hawkit. Hawkit will do it for you. They will do it for you, and you will see a lot of followers on your account. Or if you have products you want to sell, you will also see a lot of it. For example, let's say you want to post an advert on Hawkit. That is where you will click post advert. So take massive advantage of the huge traffic on Hawkit and advertise your products and services directly to thousands of buyers on Hawkit. So you do that, you can just click on get started or get people with at least 1,000 active followers to repost your adverts. So for example, at least 1,000, let's say about 50,000 members is on Hawkit that are ready to perform a task, and each of them have about 1,000 followers. And each 1,000 followers people, which is 50,000 times 50,000, they post your this thing. I think that is about 500,000 or 5 million. That means they will post your market. They will advertise your product for you, or they will follow you on social media. So you just have to pay Hawkit to do that for you, or you do for product. For example, let's say I want to go for product advert fee. It's just 1,000 naira. Advert fee is just 1,000 naira for 1 month. You will advertise your product for 1 month for just 1,000 naira. Imagine that this person here, imagine only in a month, this person here has generated about 1 million views from Hawkit. imagine, believe me, at least some people will still click on it, and they will call this person. They are going to call this person to others choose and what he or she is selling. So that is it. And also this one here. So that is how to make money on Hawkit. You can use Hawkit to advertise your product, or you can also make money on Hawkit. So guys, thank you for watching. Right now I am going to make a withdrawal from this platform called Hawkit, and by tomorrow they are going to pay me the money. The actual amount you withdraw, that is actual amount you are going to collect. They are not taking any too much transaction fee. The only fee they take is 11 naira per your withdrawal. You can withdraw anytime, any amount, as in from, I think 500 naira is their minimum withdrawal, 250. So let me check their minimum withdrawal. So I think the minimum withdrawal is less than 400 or 500, 300 downward. So right now I want to make another withdrawal from this platform called Hawkit. So let me make this withdrawal. I'm going to receive it tomorrow. I'm withdrawing 5,000 naira right now. So input your withdrawal password, click on withdraw. They will send you a transaction, a code on your email to confirm your payment. Then you will submit it here and make the payment. So let me do it right now. Guys, as you can see, my remaining balance is now 42 naira or 53 naira. So you can see it, 53 naira. They take it. Let me check the transaction fee they take. You can also buy airtime or data from Hawkit also. So you can see it here. You can buy data, ship data from Hawkit. You can see it. Let it load. You can see it. You can buy ship data from Hawkit also. So Hawkit is not only made for buy or selling of goods or any money from. You can also buy cheap data from Hawkit. So let me check the amount of withdrawal charges they take from their own personal withdrawal. This, like I told you yesterday, that Hawkit are going to pay me today. As you can see, this is the payment right now, 5,000 naira. This is it right now. Let me go and show you very clearly on my Hawkit account. Okay guys, this is the second day, right? Okay, this is my Hawkit account right now. So let me show you the withdrawals transaction history. Let me show it to you, and I will show you the payment again. So I have clicked on my withdrawal history right now. As you can see, this is it here. The withdrawal I made yesterday, that is on processing. You can see it right now, 5,000 withdrawal processed. So if I show it to you here, I'm coming, let me show it to you. So if I drag down my this thing, the notification is still here. You can see it. Tech champion service, Hawkit schools. So you can see it, 5,000 naira. The 5,000 naira I received it from Hawkit this morning, very even fast. I received it this morning. So as you can see, Hawkit is still paying for over a year. They are still paying. They are legit. They are legit because they have something they offer. They have something they offer. They have service they provide for people. So if you are interested with Hawkit, you can join them now. You can join them and start making money. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Goodbye for now.